big US immigration updates law firm, now having certain chronic or serious medical conditions, or even having a child or dependent with special need or disability can now cause your US visa application to be denied if the consular officer believes it could lead to high medical or financial costs for the US government. Medical exams have always been part of the green card process, but now the US government is expanding how your health is reviewed. When you apply for a green card from outside the United States, what we call an immigrant visa, you already complete a medical exam. That exam focuses on diseases of public health significance, things that can spread or endanger others, such as tuberculosis or syphilis. A new State Department cable or document, however, now tells consular offices or US embassies to look beyond contagious diseases. They must now consider overall health, including conditions like obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, sleep apnea, heart disease, and whether these could lead to high medical costs that will cause a person to depend on the US government. Now, for immigrant visa cases, doctors complete a few forms through the e-medical system. The DS-3026 is likely the most relevant to this update. That one records your medical history, diagnosis, medications, and ongoing conditions. Visa officers or consular officers can now review whether your spouse or child, which means your dependent, has special needs or disability or chronic condition that could affect your ability to work if you are given a US immigrant visa. If your age or health also suggests that you might need public benefits later, that can raise a public charge concern and could cause your immigrant visa application to be denied. Now, this doesn't mean automatic denial if you have any of these medical issues, but your health, finances, and insurance may matter more now. If you or your family member have ongoing medical conditions, you have to act proactively. Be prepared to gather your records, proof of stability, evidence of insurance coverage, or proof of some savings. There's no official policy or memo that's publicly been released by the government, but we're seeing a few cases where immigrant visa applicants who have chronic medical conditions are being placed in administrative processing, and consular officers are asking for a treatment plan to show how they're going to be able to manage and pay for ongoing care in the United States. Immigration rules are really shifting fast. If you have a visa case pending or you are preparing to apply, whether you're inside the US or outside the US for any US immigration benefits, contact AK Poku Law and we'll be happy to assist you. Bye-bye.